Hello everyone, welcome back to Study with Prabin Sir. Whether you are preparing for competitive exams like SSC, banking, railway, or simply looking to build sharp math fundamentals, profit and loss is one topic you can't afford to skip. Today we are kicking off our complete 15 to 20 part masterclass series on profit and loss. We will start from the absolute basics and gradually build up to advanced problem solving techniques. In this first video, we are clearing all the fundamental concepts like cost price, selling price, profit, loss, and their percentage conversions. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, grab your notebook, and let's dive right in. Now, CP. Here, CP means cost price. Here, CP means cost price. Now, what is cost price? The price at which an item or article is bought, that is your cost price. Now, one thing you must remember that you can include any overhead costs like transportation or repairs into CP. Now SP. SP here, SP means selling price. Now what is selling price? The price at which an item or article is sold, that is your selling price. Now listen, in this chapter, that is profit and loss, you will consider yourself as a shopkeeper. That means you are buying an article and selling that article. So the price at which you buy that article, that is your cost price, and the price at which you sell that article or item, that is your selling price. Now profit. Now listen, when the selling price is more than that of cost price, then there is a profit, and that profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Now loss. Now when the selling price is less than that of your cost price, then there is a loss, and that loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now percentage profit or loss. Now listen, one thing you must remember that the percentage profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Now here percentage profit is profit divided by CP, that is the cost price, into 100, and percentage loss is the loss divided by CP into 100. Now to find CP when SP and percentage profit or loss is given, now here, then what is that formula? Now CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus minus profit or loss percentage. Now here, if there is a profit, then you can use the plus symbol, and if there is a loss, then you can use the minus symbol. Now SP. So SP is equal to CP into 100 plus minus profit or loss percentage divided by 100. Now here, if there is a profit, then you can use the plus symbol, and if there is a loss, then you can use the minus symbol. Now next, type 1, question number 1. A man buys toy for rupees 25 and sells it for rupees 30. Find his gain and gain percent. Now here, buy means this is your CP, and sell means it is your SP. Now here, CP is equal to 25 and SP is equal to 30. So as here the SP is more than that of CP, so there is a gain, and that gain is equal to gain or profit that is equal to SP minus CP. So here SP is 30 minus CP, that is 25, so that is equal to 5. And percentage profit is equal to profit divided by CP. Here CP is 25 into 100. So here 25 4 jar 100, 5 4 jar 20. That means that is a 20% profit or gain. Now question number 2. A man buys a pen for rupees 25 and sells it for rupees 20. Find his loss and loss percentage. Now here, buy means CP. So here CP is equal to 25 and SP is equal to 20. As here the selling price is less than that of the cost price, that means there is a loss, and that loss is equal to CP minus SP. So 25 minus 20, that is equal to 5, and percentage loss is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. So here 25 4 jar 100, 5 4 jar 20. That means there is a 20% loss. Now next question. Type 2, question number 3. The profit earned by selling an article for rupees 832 is equal to the loss incurred when the same article is sold for rupees 448. What should be the sale price of the article for making 50% profit? Now here it is given that profit is equal to loss. As we know that SP minus CP is profit and CP minus SP is the loss. It is given that SP is 832, then there is a profit, and when SP is 448, there is a loss. Now this implies 832 plus 448, that is equal to CP plus CP, so that is 2 CP. Now here this minus Cp comes to this side and it becomes plus Cp. So Cp plus Cp, that is 2 Cp. Now this implies 1280 is equal to 2 Cp. Now this implies Cp is equal to 1280 by 2. So that is equal to 640. Now here we have to find out the selling price when there is a 50% profit. Now SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100, because there is a profit of 50%, so it will be plus profit percentage. Now that is equal to 640 into 100 plus 50 divided by 100. So that is equal to 640 into 150 by 100. So this 0 cancels this 0, this 0 cancels this 0. Then after multiplication, we are getting it is 960. That means here option 1 is the right answer. So students, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your study buddies and hit subscribe. Until next time, keep practicing and keep learning with Study with Prabin Sir. Thank you.